it does not need. See, when you truly understand other person, जैसे हम दोनों एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, अगर तू गलत किया
Hello folks, this is AK.
This is AD.
In today's episode or today's conversation, we're going to talk about
You remember अपनी यारी?
बिल्कुल. You mean okay, Apni Yaari, for those of you who don't know, Apni Yaari was like a farewell kind of a movie we could say जो हमने बनाया
Short video or something.
It was more like a collection of photos with some songs and वो वैसा कुछ. So we made it for our friends.
Yeah.
So, Apni Yaari was that. And we made 3 of them. One for our batch when we were in 10th, one for our seniors batch when we were in 11th, and one for again our batch when we were in 12th. So we made 3 of such videos, Apni Yaari, and we made them Apni Yaari part 2 and then
अधूरी अपनी यारी.
So, अपनी हाँ तो 3 पार्ट्स बने बट यस तो हाँ बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से आज हम लोग बात करेंगे किस पे
Something related to अपनी यारी दोस्ती
यस यारी परफेक्ट
दोस्ती.
एकदम
We had amazing school life. I mean,
बिल्कुल
को मौका मिला यार. I don't think हम किसी दूसरे स्कूल में होते तो वो हमें चांस भी देते ऐसा कुछ करने का. So our school life was amazing.
मतलब हाँ
We were like family यार सब. It was really great experience with all of my friends. Thank you for being with us, supporting us in whatever we did, and it was really great experience to be with you all.
मतलब भाई it's not like कि हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है but it's a very natural thing that every human goes through this phase of school life. मतलब अगर किसी से पूछेंगे कि why was your school life your let's say special, a major part of it the credit goes to your circle, your friends.
Yeah, true.
So it obviously adds a lot to a person. मतलब जो उसका circle है it obviously adds a lot to the person. उसका support system बनता है until he the person marries and वो वाला stage अलग है but until that happens family के बाद it's just friends, right? मतलब आपकी 2 ही घर वाले होते हैं. मतलब relatives बहुत लोगों के इसमें relatives नहीं होते हैं but एक होती है family, एक होता है friends. दुनिया उसी के बीच में से वो होती है. आगे जाके ऑब्वियसली रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं बट मेजर कुछ परसेंट के लिए इट्स जस्ट द 2.
रिलेशनशिप के डेफिनेशन को बदल देते हैं.
इट इज गलत व्हाट यू कॉल गलत ले लेते हैं बिल्कुल.
सो फ्रेंडशिप
द वर्ड इज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट it's kind of like not galat sense, it is more like it is taken in only one sense. It is more like an
exactly
phrase of dating. It comes in that phrase ki when you are dating someone you say I am in a relationship with him, but a relationship is a very generic term. You have your जैसा आदि भाई ये वाला पार्ट आप ही बताइए. मतलब हम लोग एक बार बोल लेते राइट कि you are in a relationship with your father, you are in a relationship with your parents, you are in a relationship with your friends, your relatives, mama, mami, anybody. You are in a relationship with your dog, you are in a relationship with your pets. मतलब
it's just a connection. हाँ वो बस एक कनेक्शन है जिसको रिलेशनशिप बोल के नाम दिया गया है. एंड पता नहीं क्यों लोग बस एक ही डायरेक्शन में सोचते हैं या एक ही एक ही पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचते हैं कि
मतलब people should be confident भाई I am dating that person. ठीक है मतलब using that being like okay I am in a relationship with that person, it sounds okay because अब वो बहुत used to हो गया but in little sense it does not give the character.
Our generation we generally use relationship for different things than human connections. एक वर्ड का ट्रेंड चल रहा है तो वही चलेगा पता नहीं कब तक चलेगा. See when you want to explain others that I have really good relationship with my mom or taking her name and all, then people think in different way. That should be not done. Like they should be mature about what they're thinking and what they're understanding about. So they should be more matured. What I mean to say, like समझो क्या what others also mean about that and what you think about it. Think others view also, think what they're thinking, in what way they're thinking, what they mean. So
what they mean मतलब miscommunication नहीं होना चाहिए basically. वही तो बोल रहा है right?
See, it's not that you don't understand the other person properly, but somewhere when you go wrong, that's where misunderstandings happen. It does not need. See, when you truly understand other person, जैसे हम दोनों एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, अगर तू गलत किया, एक ही डायरेक्शन में सोचते हैं, एक ही पर्सपेक्टिव में सोचते हैं, और अगर हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है तो वी डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर,
डिस्कस एंड यस
एंड अगर कोई कम्युनिकेशन वगैरह होता भी है, देन you understand that कि I went somewhere wrong and you approach me.
हम लोग
But generally if something like this miscommunication or something of these factors happen, people they take it as ego or something, or people generally talk about respect and self-love. I agree, it is necessary. Self-love is very much necessary, and respecting yourself is also necessary, but it does not mean that you stop respecting your relationship or stop respecting your friendship. I mean,
मतलब हाँ,
yeah, दोनों एक ही चीज है, okay?
मतलब
According to me.
वैल्यू ऑफ ओके, मतलब तू बेसिकली ये बोल रहा है कि किसी चीज की वैल्यू, मतलब एटलीस्ट हैविंग अ ह्यूमन पर्सनस इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन योर लाइफ और हैविंग अ पर्सनस वैल्यू शुड बी मोर देन योर सेल्फ वैल्यू, एक तरह से, मतलब नॉट एग्जैक्टली सेल्फ वैल्यू, बट इट शुड बी लाइक, अगर कोई आपके लाइफ में है, ओके, आपका पार्टनर या कोई भी फ्रेंड या कोई भी ह्यूमन अदर, कोई भी दूसरा आदमी, मतलब यू शुड नॉट लूज दैट पर्सन ओवर पेटी ईगो, ओवर पेटी एरोगेंट इश्यूज, ओवर पेटी स्मॉल ऐसी चीजें जो, हाँ, मतलब सिली इश्यूज, यस, मतलब इट शुड नेवर बी इन दैट सेंस.
एग्जैक्टली. अगर मतलब हाँ, अगर मिसकम्युनिकेशन होता भी है, एंड इफ यू रियली फील जेन्युइनली कि if you still believe in other person or the partner or the friend, he might have, we had some misunderstanding, then go to them, go to him, go to her, and try to understand the consequences, try to understand what he meant, she meant, whatever, whoever meant, whatever other person meant, whatever he tried to convey. Did you receive the same message what he meant? Did you?
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, तो ये सब चीजें जरूरी है. And in relationship, when we are having relationship with other person, human connection with other person, it is life connection, okay? See, whenever you're having connection with other person, you always think of dream of being with that other person for pretty long time, and just because of your own mistakes or your own understanding,
you end up losing that person, मतलब हाँ, because of your own confusion, basically you end up losing a good person जो आपकी जिंदगी का बहुत अच्छा पार्ट बन सकता था.
It has its own value. It does not come over your respect or over your ego, because that's where the other person is going to come and help you. Agar we are having some business deal or some important work where I have lost, and definitely other person is going to come and help me out, make me feel better. That person is going to console me. So that is the value. See, you're not going to get that respect from the place you're coming from, but you are having respect of your partner, and because of small misunderstanding, you can't just let it go because of your own self-respect. There's no मतलब concept ही नहीं है यार, self-respect.
It's very silly. It's very
silly, and I don't know why people say self-respect. Yeah, definitely self-respect is required, but where it should be there,
वही, मतलब
इधर रहना चाहिए, उधर रहना चाहिए.
हाँ, it should never be a part कि ओके भाई, मेरे किसी भी रिलेशन में it should never be a factor कि भाई मेरी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट उसने मेरे को ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया, how could he do that. मतलब yes, there are times when you get hurt, there are times when people do really bad things with a person. That is a very different thing.
See,
we do not mean that here.
Yeah, there are even times when other partner or the person changes, and that's where your real challenge comes in place.
When you feel that this person, if he is in my life, can really change my life, or can he really add value to my life. Can he, I mean, he or she can really impact my life in a good way, or he can
then only we have human connections. Then only we have human connection. And see, it's not that people just have human connection without any reason or without any factor of which you mentioned. Definitely they are going to consider all these factors knowingly or unknowingly, and then only they are going to take have good human connection. And human connection does not come, like, it does not happen in
just
less amount, ample amount of time. It takes a lot of time. Instantly. It takes a lot of time. It takes years. It takes months, years. So you're taking months to develop that human connection, and for your own egoistic behavior, you can't just lose that other person, okay? They have, see, there are times where that other person helps you a lot, and there are even times when you help. So that's all you need to consider, what that person has done to you, what you have done to him. You can't just let that relationship break or ruin your whole life. And I'm damn sure it is going to affect both of person. See, if both people, it is going to affect, knowingly or unknowingly, definitely, because they had human connection. And human connection is something which stays for lifelong, which every person expects to stay lifelong.
Experiences.
Yeah. Wants it to be more than time what they're even expecting. Pursuit of Happiness mein, if you remember, I've told few words on expectations. Again, expectation plays bigger role here also, because when you expect something from your other,
other half या other कोई भी दूसरा बंदा जो आपके साथ है.
If you expect anything from the other person and when you don't get it, that feeling is really bad. And I'm sure everyone might have, not everyone, most of them might have experienced it. Even you know that, we know that. It is not good. So why don't we be good, be smarter, and not just expect from anyone? See,
just when plan on giving things.
Yeah, always give things. That happiness also is at different level. And definitely, when you give things, you get things. That is
it's a very natural way. It's a very natural way.
Yeah, mutual things. When it's applied everywhere. Okay, when you give water to plants, it gives us oxygen. It's always give and take thing.
Yes, it's always a two-sided relationship. No matter what. So always, हम लोग दोनों ये बात मानते हैं that you should always focus on giving to the other person. In fact, I heard, in some of my podcasts that I've heard, listened to, there has been an episode. I won't mention the name now, but there has been an episode where the speaker was saying ki, the value that you get by just giving things is more than when you take things. Because
definitely,
the more you give is like the more you are putting yourself out there. Okay? Not for the sake of getting things back. That should not be the motive that मैं दे रहा हूँ, I have to get it back. That should never be the motive. But just giving it for the betterment or for ideal values. Okay, I have to just be there. And then when you get it back, and when you really do get it back in the times that you need, you know that yes, I have done a good thing when I gave when I gave it to that person in that particular time. So that is when you get it back. In times like these, when you have like no one, when you do not see any hope, and when you like totally disheartened ki okay, and something bad really is happening around you and with you, then that is where nature tries to give it back to you. You get it from people.
Nature here means same. Even the nature really helps us in other things. Nature of your partner or your human connections also helps a lot when you're in need. So what we are trying to say is,